Hello everyone and welcome back to the CNCToolpath YouTube channel. Today we'll learn how to import a new model in CATIA and create an assembly for CNC programming. This is one of the most important steps to begin CNC programming in CATIA, so make sure you follow along carefully and don't skip any part. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Assembly Workbench. First, launch CATIA. From the Start menu, go to Mechanical Design and select Assembly Design. Once the Assembly Workbench is open, go to the top left corner and click on Product. Step 3. Insert Existing Components. Next, go to Insert and select Existing Component. A file browser window will open where you can navigate to the folder containing your part models. You can select parts one by one, or if you already have several components ready, you can select multiple parts at once and import them together. This flexibility saves time and ensures you don't miss any part of your assembly. Step 4. Position the parts in assembly. After importing, your selected models will appear in the assembly workspace. At this stage, all parts are free and can move around, so you'll need to apply assembly constraints to position them correctly. CATIA provides several constraints like coincidence, offset, contact, and angle. For example, you can align holes using a coincidence constraint or set a fixed distance between two faces using an offset. By applying the right constraints, you ensure every part sits in its correct position, just like it would in real machining. Step 5. Why assembly matters for CNC programming. Creating an assembly is not just about visualization. It's a critical step in CNC programming. When you prepare toolpaths, you need to know the exact position of each part, the work-holding fixtures, and the machine setup. Assemblies allow you to check clearances, avoid tool collisions, and program with confidence. A well-prepared assembly saves time on the shop floor, reduces errors, and ensures your machining process runs smoothly. This workbench is specifically designed for combining multiple parts into one complete product. Think of it like building a machine from individual components. You need a proper environment where you can bring all the parts together and manage their positions. Creates a new assembly structure where your parts will be inserted. The product acts as a container. It doesn't have geometry itself, but it holds and organizes all the components you add. This structure is very important when you're preparing for CNC programming because it helps you manage references and coordinate systems easily. Outro. And that's it. You've learned how to import models and create an assembly from multiple parts in CATIA. In the next video, we'll continue with machining setup and generating toolpaths. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CNCToolpath for more CNC programming tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.